Filecoin holders, this is emergency update of Filecoin, my friends. Absolutely, if you watch this video, so that is very important for everyone and you will be safe from loss in the future. If you watch this video complete, and if you don't, so maybe you lose a lot of money, my friends. So that is why I suggest keep watch, and please also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Filecoin in the market is 74.59 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Filecoin in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Filecoin. So now at this time, the Filecoin price changes is going wrong. From the yesterday, the price is completely going wrong, and no one can understand that what's going on at this time in the Filecoin. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day price change is going negative, and people are start worrying about that. Oh my god, people are going in the loss. That is why they start worrying, they start afraid. But you can see that the previous change is going positive. Now from yesterday the price start fast down. Now let's see the price chart for better understanding, my friends. That is the last 3 days price chart of the Filecoin. You can see here in the last 3 days the price of Filecoin is completely going down. On this day, on 8 June, the price of the Filecoin is going completely down. And now the currently situation of Filecoin is that they start jumping in the last days, in the last 2 days, but gradually start jumping. You can see here, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump. They continue has moved like a snake. You can see here, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down. That's how they continue has jumped at this time. So now Filecoin is in the gradually moving upward. Anyways, if you look the price, highest price of the Filecoin in the last 3 days, so the 3 days highest price is 90.96 USD dollar. Absolutely, that's a high amount. And now the current situation 75.28 USD dollar is the current situation of the Filecoin, and the pricing is negative 39.49%, fast down, negative. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.